Are you looking to incorporate yoga into your daily routine but don't know where to start? Yoga props are an essential part of any yogi's practice and can be invaluable in helping you find balance and stability. In this video, we'll explore why yoga props are necessary and the different types of props available so you can choose the right products for you. From mindful breathing to more advanced poses, yoga props can help you take your practice to the next level. Let's take a look at why yoga props are essential for your yoga journey. Yoga mats. Yoga mats are the most basic and essential yoga prop. They provide a non-slip surface for your practice and help to cushion your joints. Various types of yoga mats are available, including eco-friendly mats, travel mats, and extra thick mats for added comfort. Blocks. Yoga blocks are used to help support and modify yoga poses. They can be used to bring the floor closer to you, to help keep your weight, or to improve alignment. Blocks come in various sizes and materials, including foam, cork, and wood. Straps. Yoga straps are used to help deepen stretches and improve flexibility. They are beneficial for individuals with tight hamstrings or limited flexibility. Straps are available in various lengths, materials, and buckle styles. Bolsters. Yoga bolsters are large, firm pillows that can be used for support in various poses. They benefit from restorative yoga and can help promote relaxation and reduce stress. Bolsters come in multiple shapes and materials, including rectangular, round, and cylindrical. Blankets. Yoga blankets are versatile props that can be used for support, warmth, and cushioning. They can be used in various poses to help provide support or add an extra cushioning layer. Blankets are available in various materials, including wool, cotton, and synthetic fibers. Eye pillows. Eye pillows are small, rectangular pillows filled with flax seeds or lavender placed over the eyes during relaxation. They can help promote relaxation and reduce stress and are particularly useful during restorative yoga or meditation. Meditation cushions. Meditation cushions, or zafus, are firm cushions used to support the hips during meditation. They can help improve posture and reduce discomfort during long periods of sitting. Meditation cushions come in various sizes, materials, and colors. Benefits of yoga props. Yoga props are a valuable tool for practitioners of all levels. Increased comfort. Yoga props can help make poses more comfortable and accessible, allowing individuals to stay in poses for extended periods. Improved alignment. Yoga props can help improve alignment and form, making poses more effective and reducing the risk of injury. Deeper stretches. Yoga props can help individuals deepen their stretches, allowing them to access areas of the body that may be difficult to reach without props. Increased support. Yoga props can provide additional support during challenging poses, allowing individuals to feel more confident and secure in their practice. Enhanced relaxation. Yoga props can help promote relaxation and reduce stress, making yoga practice more enjoyable and beneficial for mental health. Where to buy yoga props? Yoga props are available for purchase at a variety of retailers, including yoga studios, sporting goods stores, and online retailers. When shopping for yoga props, it is essential to consider factors such as quality, durability, and affordability. It is also important to consider your specific needs and preferences when selecting props. In conclusion, yoga props are a valuable tool for practitioners of all levels. They can help improve comfort, alignment, flexibility, and relaxation, making yoga practice more enjoyable and beneficial for overall health and well-being. Investing in high-quality yoga props can help you take your practice to the next level. Thanks for watching. To learn more, click the links in the description below.